Morning, second car at this booking, and we've got a flashback to 1995. This is a Skoda Favorit 1.3. It's only got 92,000 on the clock. It's running beautifully, and it's in really good nick actually. That engine bay certainly been looked after. Unfortunately, I had a little incident with someone reversing into it at the front here, but yeah, running absolutely beautifully. It's just booked in as part of a multi-vehicle booking. Yeah, no particular diagnostics we can do on this, but we've done all the checks as we would normally do at the start of the booking. It's already lost that kind of base purr that it had in the engine. It's a 1.3 this one. No power steering. Back to the good old days. This one, I said, don't see many of these around anymore. But this one's certainly been loved. It's been in the family about 5 years, only had 3 owners. Yeah, cherished this one by the family, and it's still running like a champ. Lovely and smooth and quiet now. Really good nick. It's an absolute pleasure working on stuff like this.